Now, first thing you're going to do is add some text by going to the Type tool, selecting it, clicking and dragging a box. Adobe Illustrator will fill it with lorem ipsum or filler text. Next, you're going to switch over to the ellipse tool, draw an ellipse so that it overlaps the text. Now you can see the shape is in front of the text. We're going to use the selection tool. I'm going to click and drag to select the shape and the text. I go up to Object. I go down to Text Wrap. I choose Make. It tells me it's going to do all the objects in the selection. I click OK. If I click off of it, you can see my text now flows around my shape. I can move my shape anywhere in this text and it will continue to flow around the text.